Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and I just want to go over this quick trade I done today on ticker AXON. So basically, the indicators that I went off for this trade was the MACD and RSI. But first, just to let you know, there will be two parts that I actually cut out of this video, and that will be the actual physical buy and submitting the order for the sell. Reason is just because it, you know, shows a little bit more information than what I would like in my account. But so I end up actually buying, and I'll show you here shortly. I'll slide it up over here. But I buy 3,000 shares. My average is $5.49. Just give you guys a heads up. Up here in this corner. Just to show that this is a live video, connected real-time data. Obviously the clock up here is working. One thing you got to watch out for with a lot of these, stock gurus is, oh, just by the way, I actually just purchased right in there. But with some of these stock trading gurus, they just pretty much show their P&L all the time. And hold on a second. So right there, just to verify. I'll go over this in a second. But again, so some of these gurus, they just show their P&L, and they can Photoshop that, or they'll show videos, and they basically just say, hey, I bought here and I sold here, and they don't show any transactions whatsoever. And there's just so much room for manipulation, but I just want to be transparent as possible with you guys. So if you see value in this, and if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter if you want, and definitely share this video. And if you guys want to learn more, I'll put out some videos, teach you guys different things, help you guys out in your trading as well. So so earlier, I was going off the RSI when I made this purchase, and with the MACD, it took a hard dip, and psychology behind a lot of these traders is, it'll take a hard dip like that, and see how that bar, just turn that darker red. Just showing a little bit upward momentum, not much, but if you look down here at the RSI, you can kind of see how, how hot or cold it is. And so I had already gotten in, and here shortly I should actually be making a sell, and the actual putting in the order, I cut that part out, just because it shows basically my account information. I at least want a little bit of privacy, but you actually do get to see the sell actually execute. So let's see, should be any second now. But as you see right here, this RSI, it's slowly going back up. At one point I was like 240 negative. Me personally, I don't even put in stop losses. I know a lot of people lose their minds over that, but that's how I roll. I sit here and I baby. If I feel like I've lost too much money, if I feel like it's not going to go back up, I'll sell and take that loss. It works for me. It's something that I've gotten used to over time trading, and I do know what to look for. So right here I got my sell order in, and here shortly you'll actually see it execute. But so yeah, I mean, for the new trader, I definitely wouldn't recommend it, because this is on a downward trend, and it doesn't have to go up. But it's just kind of one of those things that in time, after the new traders, after you guys paper trade for a while, you'll start seeing how a lot of these stocks work, and their ups and downs, and and why they have their ups and downs. But one thing about me is I definitely love trading off the MACD and RSI. It's when you go off these indicators, you know, it's a combination of everything. You know, you can't just rely off of one indicator. You know, so there's my sell right there. Um, but yeah, if you rely off one indicator, I mean, you'll get destroyed. And you know, that's the last thing, you know, that you need to do is, you know, get destroyed, especially when, you know, you're starting out. But so you know, you definitely got to know, you know, basically, you know, your supports and resistance. You know, right here I got, you know, a VWAP up, but based off of this trade right here, you know, I was pretty much going off of MACD and RSI. And right there, you can see I locked in my profit for $120. Yeah, you know, I mean, for having 15,000 in it, you know, that's not a lot of money, but honestly, that's day trading. You know, all these people, you know, say, you know, try to get, you know, 10%. I mean, you know, that's nice, but you know, that's kind of more realistic with a swing trade. You know, not necessarily a day trade unless if you get lucky. Um, Overall, I like to trade stocks usually over $40 on upwards to $80. I'm fortunate enough to have grown my account to where I can, you know, buy 1,000 or 2,000 of those shares. And you know, when you buy better quality stocks in companies, you know, you usually yield you know, more consistent results. But if you guys have liked this video, again, you know, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, and you know, let me know what you want to see, and you know, share this with people if you liked it. I appreciate your time, and you guys have a good night.